Alright, I've got this 2016 Honda Accord, and I'll be replacing the starter on here. Okay, on this Honda Accord, I'm going to remove the negative cable. Okay, now I've jacked and supported the vehicle. I have to remove this shield. This takes 3 of these fasteners. Okay, with the shield removed, this gives me access to this starter. This is it, right? Let's see if I can point it. Oh, this is the starter here, right here. There's this cable you have to take off to start a battery cable. So I'll be doing that first. Taking this off. Okay, with this starter, I was able to remove the ignition wire. Take this clip off the starter right here, and the positive cable. The nut that the positive cable took a 12mm socket. So I get this out the way. Now I have to take the bracket off. This bracket right here. There's these 2 nuts here, and then this one right there. Right there have to come off so I can pull the starter out without that getting in the way. Okay, I've got the bracket removed. Those 2 threads there, the nuts on there were took a 12mm socket, and the bolt that went in here into that hole there, that bolt took a 12mm socket too. Okay, here's the bracket here, and the bolt and the fasteners. Okay, now I gotta unmount the starter. Okay, now the bolts for the starter, there's this long one here at the top. Here it takes a 14mm socket, and then there's one at the bottom right there. I got it started. That also takes a 14mm, and take those 2 bolts out, and you get the starter out. Okay, I'm gonna try to attempt to pull the starter out with one hand. the installation would be just the reversal of the removal procedure. Okay, this is the new starter installed. The mounting bolts are hard to line up, but I got it installed, mounted. Just have to connect the cables and then reinstall this bracket over here. Okay, I got the starter installed with the cables connected. Now this bracket here has to be taken off of the old one and you put on the new one. Just take this bolt out here. This bolt here takes an 8mm socket. And here's the bracket for the intake. Reinstall that. The bolts, one bolt and two nuts take 12mm socket. And now I just put the cover on here with these fasteners. Use a Phillips screwdriver and you turn these, not a Phillips, but a flathead, to this little pin. It's in a position where you can pop it out.